Swati Kumar. Welcome you all in the brand new topic, that is biotechnology, principles and processes. Today we are going to read a new topic in which we study definition of biotechnology, how biotechnology are used in our daily life, its principles, and so first of all we should understand what do you mean by biotechnology. It is two words, bio and technology. Bio means living organism, and technology, all of you understand, it's constructive and something to be constructed is called technology. So it can be defined as the use of living organisms, plants or animal cells or their enzymes or their molecules to obtain products for the welfare of mankind is called biotechnology. Now we should understand this biotechnology in our daily life. All of we eat curd. What is this? Curd is used with the help of biotechnology. How? We know that curd is made from milk. There is an organism called lactobacillus. When we put that bacteria into the milk, it produces curd. So what we are doing? Use of living organism. The second is bread. All of we eat bread. What is this? This is also a biotechnology. How? There is a fungus called yeast which is used to make this bread. What is this? Biotechnology. Use of living organism. Okay. So this biotechnology was coined by Carl Irke in 1990. He was also called technology. Biotechnology has various applications in different fields such as agriculture, medicines, genetically modified crops and genetics. Principles of biotechnology. Now we should understand what are the principles of biotechnology. Means how they work. Okay. There are two main principles. First is genetic engineering and the second is bioprocessing. What is genetic engineering? Genetic engineering is defined as the modification of an organism by changing its genetic material. All of we know that our body has some genetic material like DNA or RNA. If we change that DNA and RNA, that is called genetic engineering. It involves the insertion of a desired gene into the host gene to improve the function. How this genetic engineering is performed? This is performed by insertion, putting the desired gene into the host gene. It is also called recombinant DNA technology. S. Cohen and H. Boyer constructed the first recombinant DNA using antibiotic resistance gene present on the plasmid of E. coli with a native plasmid of Salmonella typhi. And what is genetic engineering step by step? Whatever the gene we want. Suppose a person is suffering from diabetes. We know that if there is an insulin which produced in our body, if its secretion is less, it produces the diabetes. So we want insulin so that the patient can be cured. So we'll take out that insulin gene from a healthy person. Okay. With that gene is introduced into the E. coli. E. coli is a bacteria which grows very fast. It can take up that foreign DNA having that insulin gene. And when it will multiply, that desirable gene also get multiplied and we take that easily and can be used for our purpose. So identification of DNA with desirable gene first. Introduction of the identified DNA into the host cell, that is E. coli. Maintenance of introduced DNA in the host and transfer of the DNA to it. The second principle is the bioprocess engineering. Bioprocess is defined as the design and development of equipment and any process that uses complete living cells or their components to obtain desired product. What happened? In this, we use whole organisms to obtain the desired product by using any equipment. There are various tools for this recombinant DNA technology. There are restriction enzymes, ligase, vectors, and host. In the next, we will study how these tools, restriction enzymes one by one, ligase, vectors, and host useful, and what is the role of this restriction enzyme in the recombinant DNA technology. Thank you.